All right, I decided tonight that it's gonna be a short stream, by the way, but I decided tonight to trade ES rather than NQ. Um, just kind of taking a break from it. Um, I like NQ, but also I feel like it's a dopamine hit, right? And um, I need to slow my brain. So I decided to trade ES tonight. So you can see here I'm up almost 2 points, and I do have a stop loss in place. So if it takes my stop, cool. But yeah, so I'm up just a tad under 2 points right now, on this trade. So let's see where that account is. I don't know if I can pull it up on here. I think I can. Anyway, it's sitting roughly at about 51,600, I think. Um, so still got a ways to go on that to pass, but um, I'll get it there. Should have had it pass today. I did trade some gold on paper. Um, too bad I didn't take it in my eval, because I would have passed it for sure. But I kind of been tired today, so I don't know how long I'll be on stream. I guess this doesn't like to be stretched too far. I kind of wanted to give this trade a little bit of room to run, but ES does move a lot slower than in Q, so here's a look at NQ tonight. You can see what box we're in. Um, Not surprising. It's all consolidation after the big move today. You can see here I did trade gold, scalped just for, I don't know, it was about maybe 70 or 80 bucks. And also I traded a little bit of Nakai tonight. Um, Someone was telling me about it, so I did trade a little bit of that as well. I don't even know if that one's working or not. It doesn't seem like it's getting any data. It's weird. Looks like all the charts are frozen, but I mean, I don't think they are. Here. Yeah, I'm still connected, so. And it's matching up with data on TradingView, so it is connected. I'd at least like to get about 3 points out of this tonight. I'd like to see it push a little bit anyway. I got to thinking too, as much as I really like NQ, every account I've blown has been because of NQ and not ES. So I think I'm just gonna take a break for a while from NQ. Like I said, it it moves, but unfortunately it moves, and um I feel like it's just a dopamine hit versus, you know, slow, methodical, yada yada. Let's go sit on the porch and in the swing, take our time, drink some sweet tea that ES gives you. Come on and go another. There we go. There's the 2 points I was looking for. I should have went in with 2 contracts, that way I could take one off. All right, I'll close that out. So there's your 2 points. It's $100. Um, if we do keep continuing up here, look for 5203, 5205, and then up to 5208. But that could take all night with the way ES moves. It's okay. I need to calm my brain. So this is what I do when I need to calm my brain. Just take slow, methodical trades. You can see here on the 60-minute, this is a 2 up on ES. So there you go. Did Nikkei move? No, not really. I don't know how that moves really, so it's going to take me a while to, but if you can trade now, I feel like you can trade anything. So yeah, so see, you can see here, same in Q, still inside, and that only moved what, three points from when we looked at it a minute ago, so it's fine. But yeah, so there you go, 2 points. There you go. So in total, made $71.50 tonight in that account. So yeah, so I was right. It's sitting at about 51.6. I would like to see 52.05 hit tonight in ES. But I'm not going to leave any orders or positions out there, so I did figure out how to set up the ATM strategy on Ninja, so that's good. I just kind of played around with it and went in here and um I didn't really use it tonight, but I was able to set it up. So you can see here so it is in ticks. So 40 point stop loss, or 40 tick stop loss, 40 tick take profit. And of course, ES moved as soon as I got out. Another half point. Would have been what, another $25? And there you go. So 52.05 is almost here. Should have got back in at that 52.03 again. It's all right. I just need to bank some consistent wins and profits. One thing I need to figure out with this Ninja Mobile VPS is how to add in my Replicanto so that I can copy trade the accounts I have. I'm not real sure how to do that yet, so gotta figure that out. There's 5205. I called it out. Didn't stay in the trade long enough. Dang it, dang it, dang it. It's okay though. I'm gonna ease back into ES. I'm just gonna leave NQ alone for a while. We'll see if ES does the way kind of NQ does, where it comes back, fills a little fair value gap, and then goes. So, we'll see. Just kind of curious to see if it moves the same way that ES does. We got a new hour candle open here, so. I did at least call out that level on stream. Can't tell you what to do, but I do feel like my levels are pretty solid for the most part. Thanks to the Strat. like I said, I'm trying to stop the dopamine hits, so I'm not going to take another trade, just kind of observe. I started out just trading ES though. When I started trading futures, it's been about it's been a year roughly that I started trading futures. Um so just a tad over a year. Oh, I feel like I've done okay. Made a lot of mistakes along the way. No trader hasn't. Um but I also felt like I learned a lot, so there's that too. Well, it does appear it moves the same same as ES, or I mean NQ. Get a slight pullback there. Slight pullback there on that new open of the new candle. So I think we have non-farm payroll in the morning. I think that's the data in the morning is non-farm payroll. Non-farm payroll on a Friday. It'll definitely move. So I saw something from Alpine Trader today that I thought was interesting. He's been trading for 7 years. And I know the statistic basically says 5 to 10 years to be consistently profitable. So he's done it in 7. Um, I'm still working on it. Um, yeah, I've had ups and downs, and times I've been very profitable and times I haven't. But I started trading options in 2019. Yeah, almost 2020. So somewhere around the summer of 2019. 2020, February of 2020, I turned $800 into almost 20 grand in Tesla options. Didn't really have a clue what I was doing. I just looked at the chart one day and said, "Oh, it looks like it's going to go up." And so then um I went through lot of loss and grief over the next 3 years of my life. And so I would trade and not trade and take breaks and that sort of thing. So um I do still trade some options occasionally, just not like I did. And then so it's been a little over a year ago I started trading futures with Apex. So got a couple payouts, nothing to brag about, but um this year I have not taken a payout yet. So that's the next goal, is to take a payout um on 1 to 3 PA accounts. I would like 3 um to start with, and then go from there. I think Alpine Trader said he took one payout and then worked his way up. So I know it's possible to do it. I want to go back long here, but also don't want to put profit I've got tonight at risk either. So I don't know how to see the DOM on here. There's got to be a way. Um, there we go. Oh, guess I have to select an instrument, don't I? Yes. This is also something I need to figure out. Of course, it's a good way to do it here on Sim. That way I wouldn't mess anything up. um, so you can see right here, I think this is the way this works. There's a lot of buy orders here at 50. Oh, I don't know which way it works. I don't know if this is the buy side and this is the sell side. I think. So, like, let's just say, yeah. So we want to buy one at 5204. Okay, so this is just a sim account down here you can see. So it's not going to mess with anything. And then I think you can do it like this. Yeah. Okay, cool. That's kind of cool. All right. Yeah, that's kind of cool right there. So you can kind of set your orders right there on that. All right. I see why people like that thing. So it would just sell you out here. All right, let's just try this again. Let's just see what happens. Oh, I guess maybe because the market's not there yet. Well, let's just go ahead and get in here. Let's just see what happens. I don't know what that means, 20. What? I just have one down here. Oh, I see. I guess that's the orders. Okay. And then I wonder if this shows your profit and loss here. I don't know. I've never really played around with it, so kind of a little learning experiment here. I'm definitely one of these people that I try something and read the instruction manual after if I can't get it to work. Oh, yeah, I guess it shows your little profit right here. I don't know, that's kind of cool though. I may I might play around with that some more. Maybe see if I can find a couple YouTube videos on it on how it works. I'm just kind of assuming this is how it works, but and then let's see, maybe you can oh yeah, okay, cool. So you can just click on this and kind of change the quantity if you want. That's kind of neat. Hey, I think I do like that Dom thing. Um, yeah, that's kind of nifty right there. I like that because you can set your order and kind of the price you want to get in, rather than just marketing in. That I like that a lot actually. And then it should just sell me out right here at 5204. Let's just move it down because I just want to. I think maybe I can move it down. Maybe you can't drag it. I was thinking maybe you could. I just want to see if it'll take it, if it'll hit the order and take it. I kind of like that actually. Oh, come on and get up there and take that order. All right, well, since this is not moving much, let's try this on NQ because I just want to play around with this. We're on Sim. see if we can get in here. All right, it took it. Okay. All right, well, that's the way it works then. All right, cool. Ah, I see. And you can set up your little things over here too. Hey, I really kind of like this. All right. No, I want this one to be ES. And I want this one to be NQ. Huh. All right, cool. Good deal. Well, now that I know that that's how that works, let's try it again and see if we can get it to... Maybe I gotta mark it in? Let's try it. Is anybody else like me and they just read the instruction manual afterwards? I think this may really help me, guys, because you guys know I like to trade with targets. So if I can set the targets like this in advance, I think that's really going to help me a lot. All right, we'll try it again here. Yeah, I think I really like this Dom. I think I'm gonna start using it a little more often. I see why a lot of people use it now. So Apex is still running that 80% off for the rest of the month. Like I said, I have 3 PA accounts, so I'm just focusing on those. Get those all passed and pay out, and I'll go from there. Alright, let's try it on this Dom again. Just doing market orders in. I'm definitely going to play around with this more, and it may be how I start entering my orders, because I kind of like it. Even if it gets me a half a point to a point, point and a half, I'm good with it if I can go ahead and set the orders like that. There you go. Took it out. I like it. Let's look at NQ and see it again. Let's see what it's doing. Let's mark it in. Let's be smart about this. Let's see if we can go to 18. So pull this order. I guess I can't move it up that far, maybe? Damn, I'm already up. No, I don't know what that means. I guess maybe it doesn't move that fast, like you, because I want to put it at 18. So do I need to do this? Yeah, yeah. We'll just do that. Would you just pop? Thieves. Well, it's like watching paint dry tonight. Come on and pop. Alright, I got my orders in. You guys can see that, so I'll be right back. Maybe it'll pop while I'm gone. Oh, cool. I guess it took my order, didn't it? Awesome. I told you it'd pop while I was gone. I think I like this, guys, really. Um, I think it's a way to control losses. We'll see. All right. Cool. Yeah, I think I like this a lot, actually. um, nice. All right. Let's see if we can scalp another point here. All right. Well, that took it quickly. I like this a lot. Yeah. Yeah, guys. I like this. Um hell yeah, I like this. All right. Well, this is how I'm going to be trading from now on. Thank you, Dom. And me playing around with it tonight and figuring it out. I like this a lot. So just playing on Dom there, those were a couple real trades I snuck in. Just scalping 7150 on real and 235 on sim. I like the Dom, guys. Yeah, I'm sold on it now for sure. I see why a lot of people have used it. No doubt about it. I see why they've used it. All right, I'm calling it a night. Had some decent wins, and yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy with this tonight and figuring this Dom out. So, all right, hope everyone has a good night, and try to get, well, there will be no stream tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. Um so yeah. All right. Thank you to the Dom and Ninja Mobile Trader VPS. Got it running on the MacBook nice and smooth. Um yeah, I like this, guys. All right. Hope everyone has a good night. Catch you next week.